Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Camote Cue, a beloved Filipino street food. This simple yet incredibly delicious snack features sweet potatoes coated in a glistening, caramelized brown sugar. It's a treat that's easy to make at home and perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. We'll go over all the essential ingredients and walk through the cooking process step by step, ensuring you can recreate this classic dish with confidence and ease. Get ready to enjoy a taste of the Philippines. To make this delightful snack, you'll need just a few key ingredients. First, select firm, medium-sized sweet potatoes, preferably the orange-fleshed variety, as they offer a lovely sweetness and texture. Next, grab some brown sugar. This is essential for creating that signature caramelized coating. Finally, you'll need a good amount of cooking oil for frying. With these three simple components, you're well on your way to preparing a fantastic Camote Cue that everyone will love. Let's get cooking. Begin by peeling your sweet potatoes and slicing them into uniform, medium-sized pieces, about 1/2 inch thick. Heat about 3 to 4 cups of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, carefully add the sweet potato slices and fry them until they are slightly tender. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of brown sugar over the potatoes. Continue frying, stirring gently, until the sugar melts and beautifully coats each piece, forming a rich, golden caramel. Once your Camote Cue is perfectly caramelized and golden, it's time to serve. For the most authentic experience, carefully remove the sweet potatoes from the pan and skewer them onto bamboo sticks, typically 2 or 3 pieces per stick. This makes them easy to hold and enjoy, just like you'd find from a street vendor. Serve them immediately while they are still warm and the caramel is delightfully sticky. This sweet and satisfying treat is perfect as a snack or a unique dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.